The adjective
sfasato,
in Italian, which derives from the verb
sfasare,
to dephase, is used in technical terms to mean out of phase, mainly in reference to motors and electrical currents.
sfasato,
What should be of interest to most learners of Italian isn't so much the technical, but rather the figurative meaning of this word. Namely, it can be used to describe a person who's not at their best due to fatigue or confusion. When the issue is fatigue, some possible translations include out of sorts, off kilter, or off color. If confusion is the issue, the translations bewildered, confused, or disoriented work best.
Abbiamo appena finito il trasloco, finalmente! Che sudata! Mi sento un po' sfasato adesso.
We just finished the move, finally. What an effort. I feel a bit disoriented now. When it ends in an O, sfasato is masculine. Its corresponding feminine and plural forms are
Sfasata,
feminine singular,
sfasati,
masculine plural,
sfasate.
feminine plural. A few synonyms for sfasato you can come across are
Confuso,
confused,
stordito,
dazed,
disorientato,
disoriented,
stonato.
out of sorts.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.